Understanding Cooking Show, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a popular English phrase, cooking show. This term is quite common in everyday conversations, especially among those who enjoy watching television or streaming content. So, let's dive in and learn all about what a cooking show is and its relevance in English-speaking cultures. A cooking show is a type of television or online program that focuses on cooking and food preparation. In these shows, hosts or chefs demonstrate how to prepare various dishes, often providing tips and tricks along the way. They can range from instructional to entertaining, with some shows featuring competitions, travel, or celebrity guests. The key aspects of a cooking show include demonstration of recipes. Hosts prepare dishes, often explaining the steps and ingredients. Educational content. Viewers learn about cooking techniques, kitchen tools, and culinary terms. Entertainment value. Many shows add elements of humor, drama, or competition. Cooking shows come in various formats, each appealing to different interests. Instructional shows focus on teaching cooking techniques and recipes. Competition shows. Chefs compete against each other in cooking challenges. Travel and food shows. Hosts travel to different locations, exploring local cuisines. Celebrity cooking shows feature celebrities, either cooking or being cooked for. Cooking shows are more than just entertainment. They reflect and influence cultural trends. Promoting culinary skills, they encourage viewers to cook and experiment with food. Cultural exchange, shows often introduce viewers to cuisines from around the world. Food trends, they can popularize certain dishes, ingredients, or cooking methods. I hope this video helped you understand what a cooking show is and why it's such a popular and influential part of English-speaking cultures. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about understanding the context and culture behind them. Happy learning and see you in the next video.